Yeah, you can
So,
start, Renuka.
yeah, Pallav. So, hi, we are welcoming you from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. So, this is a new generation land, and we are launching a tomorrow's land. And in this project, we are giving you four promises. One is the promise of the security. So, what are these promises? We'll be once I'll be moving forward with the presentation, I'll be clearing on that part also. Second is the promise of liquidity we are giving you. So this is a very new concept you'll be hearing here, and then after that we are giving you promise of transparency and a promise of wealth also. Pallab, you can move to next slide. Next slide. Yeah. Okay. So basically here, so we just say land is something which you should have in your asset portfolios. You or the people who are there in our this webinar, they have invested. They have seen if invested in right time, right location, right place, they must have got one of the best return. Similarly, this is a kind of land you should have in your asset portfolio because it's a kind of investment for your future insurance and future saving. And we say why land is something which should be there in your investment portfolio because it is a it is kind of a legacy for you, and it is a only real estate which gives you a double investment with the time and it appreciates year on year, and it is safer than a fixed deposit because it gives you one of the best return. And apart from that, you can use it for the multiple reasons. You can hold it whenever you want to sell it, you can sell it whenever you want to stay there. It is a kind of a stay place for you. Then whenever you want to rent it, you can rent it, and from there also you get your investment. And then apart from that, you can use it for the various purposes also. Then it is easier than equity trading, future options, etc. And it gives you a steady appreciation. If I'll talk about the land, it gives you year on year very good appreciation. You can move it to next slide. Okay, but still, as a retail investor, whenever we are buying a land, we generally has hesitations in our land, in our mind that before buying a land. So, what are those hesitations? There are four hesitations. First is about the location, then second is about the approvals, third is about the security and maintenance, and fourth is about the liquidity. So, here this is the concept. We are coming up with a branded land where we will be taking care of all these four parameters. Like for example, for location, if you're going, you because obviously you will be from the different part of India, so obviously whenever you're buying land in some other place, you will not be having a much information about that place, and there'll be multiple builders and developer will be providing a land there, so you do not have which builder and developer you should go for. Then you do not have a proper information about that area, you do not have proper information about the city. And then we generally see land buy is limited to certain people only who are expert in that. So the concept with what we are coming up with, we are making that process of buying and selling easy. And then if I talk on the approvals part, so majorly whenever we are investing in a land, so we do not have the clarity on what kind of a documentations will be there. So here we'll be having a transparency on the documentation. We'll be having a proper process from the time of filling an application till the time of doing an allocation and then the registration of your plot by your name. And this is the land which is a title clear land. So how you can do the construction, we will be supporting you on all these parameters. And apart from that, if I talk on the security and the maintenance part, so this is a branded land where you do not have to worry about the security because you will be having a 24 by 7 security here. You will be having a boundary wall which will cover your entire project. Apart from that, you will be having a security from where everybody whoever is coming in the project, you will get to know that if he's coming, that person is coming to meet you. And then on the maintenance part, so we'll be taking care of the maintenance part also for a year. The maintenance will be taken care by the house of Abhinandan Lodha. After a year, obviously we'll be forming a society there. And the most important part on the liquidity part, so everybody whoever will be buying a land, whoever will be investing here or taking as a second home or an end use purpose, they'll be having this question in the mind: who will help you to liquidate the land whenever you are in need of money, or who will assure that you will get a right value for your investment. So this particular point I'll be taking once I'll move forward with the presentation. Next PPT. So again, we are presenting a new generation land. Now I'll be clearing these 4 promises. One is a promise of security, liquidity, and transparency and the wealth. Next slide. Okay, so if I talk on the security part, which I've already mentioned, it's a 100% secured process. So you will be having a proper security there. You will be having a 0% risk here. Why the 0% risk? Because this generation land is a liquid. So why it is a liquid? Because we'll be giving you one digital portal where you can list your project, and where from the house of Abhinandan Lodha, the people who ever have invested in our project, they all will be listing their project. So tomorrow, if you want to sell your property, that you will be getting your buyers there only. And if your friend also, friends, family want to invest in any of the house of Abhinandan Lodha's project, they can also they can also get to know from that list who is selling the project property at that time. And if I talk on the transparency part, our process is a 100% transparent part. We have a 100% money refund before registration. How? Because we have a process of this process. Like first, we take it as an application model where obviously you will be just applying for it. After that, during an allocation, we'll be allotting a plot to you. Once you like the plot, you say, yes, we want to go ahead with the project, then we'll be moving forward with the registration process. If in the any worst scenario, you because of any personal exigencies of your, if your plot not got allocated to you, or you didn't like the plot, the whatever amount you paid to us, it's a 100% refundable amount. So this is a 100% transparent process. And if I talk on the wealth part, why wealth? Because we are giving you assured resale with your capital protection once in your consumer cycle. That is by 2 ways. First, we are giving you that digital portal, and apart from that, from the house of Abhinandan Lodha, in case of any of your personal exigencies, you want to sell your plot, we'll be making sure that you get your capital after checking all your claims and the land part. So this is about the promises. You can move forward. So these are the certain ads on the newspaper, because if you must be seeing that we are very active everywhere, like be it YouTube, be it Facebook, be it newspapers, and we are getting that kind of traction also from the market, because this is our second project where we are coming up with a land. So we are just not selling a land, because our first project was a huge success. That was in Dapoli only. So in just 6 months of a time, we sold 850 plot, and the people who have already invested there, they have already seen a 50% of appreciation there. So we are just not making a promise. We are on that promises, whatever we are telling them. And we are just not a real estate company. We are caring for you, and then we are providing a project to you. You can move forward to next presentation. Okay. So this, we are launching a Tomorrowland. This is a beachfront private gated estate. So you can see on that side. So this will be the project will look like this, and just this will be an inclined land. So obviously this plots are arranged in a theatrical way. So for example, if somebody is behind you, it will be on the higher height than yours. If somebody is ahead of you, it will be on lower side than yours, lower height than yours. So obviously tomorrow it will not restrict anybody's view, because obviously you are taking here, so you are taking for a view here. So the project will look like this. And then in just and if I'll tell you from beach, it is just 600 meters. So it is just, if I'll talk on the walking part, it is just 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a beachfront. You can move forward with that. Pallav, next slide. Next slide. Next slide, yeah. Yeah, next slide. So this, the project will look like this. You can see our township will look like this. So you can see this land is inclined land. It is coming from top to bottom. So obviously, because tomorrow you will be having a great views from here. So we are having a two kind of inventory. One is the seaside, sea facing inventory. Other is a mountain facing inventory. You can move to next. Yeah. So this is the video which I think we have already shown. If you can play again, Pallav, because there are many people who have joined after that also. So this is
Sure, I'll
the
play the video once again.
yeah, so because this is the video which is of the exact location, it's the Anjali beach. So you can see how beautiful it is. If I talk, this is the Anjali beach and this is the approach road to the beach. So this is the famous lighthouse there.
Yeah, Renuka, you can take it forward.
Hope everybody must have liked this video. You can move to next slide, Pallav. Okay, so what is Tomorrowland? You have already must have seen in video. It is from Anjali Beach. It is in Anjali Beach, basically just 600 meters from the beach. And what is Anjali? So basically, it's a millennial destination, similar like in North Cuba. And if I'll tell you, here the beaches are the untouched beaches. These are very clean beaches. If you are going there, you're gonna love this place because these are the white sand beaches. And if I talk on the distance part, it is from Mumbai, it is 215 kilometer, and from Pune, it is 195 kilometer. And the journey from Mumbai or from Pune is beautiful. So you will be having a Western Ghats on your side, because if I talk about Dapoli as a location where this Anjali beach is located, so Anjali beach basically is in Ratnagiri district in Dapoli location. So it is very near to Harnai port. People must be aware of the Harnai port. Basically, it is Asia's largest fishing port. It is just 5 kilometers from there. And if I talk on the infrastructure part, also the people from Mumbai and Pune, so there is a infrastructure wise, as there's Mumbai Belapur Harnai waterway is proposed. So once it is there, then the travel time from Mumbai from Belapur to Harnai, that is to it'll be just 1 hour, because you'll be having a speedboats and jetties there. So as an infrastructure wise, also there's so many things coming. Like if I talk about the Mumbai Goa highway, so currently it's a 4-lane highway. So currently it's a 2-lane highway, so they have already started for work for a 4-lane highway. So tomorrow, obviously, the travel time will reduce because there'll be less traffic. So that way is also infrastructure wise, so many things coming there, because it is India's only coastal hill station where you have a beaches also at the same time and hills also at the same time. So your journey will be mixture. So you will be seeing hills there, Alfonso Mango's tree, Cashmere nuts trees, and a hill station. So it is one of the finest ride. So this is so we are calling this as a new tomorrow North Goa, because you can imagine that अगर आपने आज से 10 साल पहले वहाँ इन्वेस्ट किया होता, या आज से 10 साल पहले आपका वहाँ पे आपने अपने लिए सेकंड होम या एंड यूज पर्पस के लिए घर लिया होता. So what because if I talk on the investment part, आज वहाँ पे already they are sitting on the 150% appreciation. Next presentation. So why we are calling Anjali as in North Goa? Because the beaches there in Nanjale also, there are the 5 beaches in a line, which is just in the 10 kilometer to 5 kilometer stretch. So there's a Karde beach there, there's a Murud beach there, there's a Savani beach there, there's a Padale beach there, there's Anjale beach. So our project is at Anjale beach. So where on one side you have a Padale beach, and on the other side you have a Savani beach. If I talk about these two beaches distance, it is just in a 2 to 3 kilometers of vicinity. And these are very beautiful beaches. Next. Okay, so why we are telling 150% potential appreciation in next 5 years? Because it's a unique geography, because you have 5 beaches in just spread of 10 kilometers. And then it is very similar to North Goa in terms of tourism potential, because these are very clean beaches, white sand beaches, untouched beaches, destination of millennials, because you will get everything. You will get peace, like you have a mountains there, you can do the adventures, you will be having all the rides available on all the beaches. So it's just like a North Goa. And so due to the limited beachside, so obviously because Goa now is so crowded, we do not get a beachside property. So that is why the prices and everything is increased there by 150%. So similar, if I'll talk in the North Goa, the prices has increased by 150% in last 5 years. Why? Because there's nothing, if I will tell you that currently there's nothing much available on the beach side. So Anjale for you currently is a gold mine. You can invest today and you can see your money to grow by 150% in just 5 years. Okay, if I talk on the amenities part, so we will be launching this in 2 phases. So this is a pre-launch phase. So this is the whatever price we'll be discussing in this is the pre-launch offer. So in the pre-launch, so basically we'll be coming up with the 15 amenities. So these will be the amenities, because this is a branded land where you'll be having amenities. So you do not have to go out anywhere to enjoy. So you'll be everything present inside your premises here. So you'll be having a grand clubhouse where you'll be having an infinity edge pool. You can see here in that picture also, which will be a tri setting. So where you'll be having a party deck here, then you have a pool here, then you have a walkway in front of water, and then just below that you will be having a beach. So you will be having an outdoor cafe here where you can sit with your family, enjoy with your friends, family. You will be having a viewing tower. You will be having a provision for a flea market here. You will be having a barbecue zone. You will be having an open air party deck. Then you will be having a tri-aqua setting, or what I was explaining you. Then you will be having an indoor bars, restaurants, and pantry inside the clubhouse. You will be having a guest rooms also available here. And if I talk on the stores part, you will be having a convenience store inside the premises where you'll be getting all your basic necessity items available, like medicines, groceries, hardware. So you do not have to go out anywhere. You can just enjoy the vacation here. Then you'll be having interactive landscapes, gardens where you can sit with your family, friends. Then if I talk on the outdoor part, you'll be having a viewing deck here. You'll be having a tree houses, then outdoor spa, gym, yoga center. You'll be having a swinging pavilion. Then you'll be having a sit out, then rock climbing. Then you have an amphitheater, which will be an open air theater. So basically where you can sit with your family, enjoy the movies under the stars and sky. In with the amphitheater, you'll be having a barbecue pit also, where we can do the barbecue also, like with watching movies. Then you will be having a gymnasium inside the premises. You will be having a provision for music festivals, so jogging and walking track. So you will be having a zip lining, skating arena. And apart from that, so because it is anyways in Anjale Beach, so tomorrow if you want to enjoy all the adventurous activities, so you'll be having the water activities, because which is already there at Anjale Beach. Yeah, Pallav, next slide. So the the grand clubhouse will look like this. So this is one of our amenities. So these the outdoor activities will look like this. So you'll be having a tree house like this. So you'll be having a gardens there. You will be having a music and dance area where obviously somebody you can do the music festivals. So this the project will look like this. Yes. So this is a tri-aqua setting. So you'll be having a party deck. Then you will be having an infinity pool like this where you can sit. And then this is a water walkway. And just below this, you'll be having a beach. So you are getting a tri level of water view from there. Yeah, and if I talk on the architect part, this whole township will be designed by Sanjay Puri. If I talk on the Sanjay Puri, he comes in the 100 top architect globally, and his firm has already won 270 awards. That is 117 international awards and 100 national awards. So he'll be designing whole township where the amenities will be coming, how the brand, how the gates will be there. Everything will be designed by Sanjay Puri. Okay, so now we comes that how you can apply for it. If I'll tell you on the demand part, so because we have launched this project physically, pre-launched this project physically on 6th of October. But if I'll tell you before that only, we have got so many applications also. So if so the process is very smooth for an application. So there are so this is a kind of a first mover advantage for you if you have not applied yet, because if I'll tell you, we are getting hundreds of requests to book plot even before the launch. So there is a participation from all the cities of India, and if I'll tell you overseas also, we are getting good participation from the overseas also. And it's a triple A category land in the new North Goa, and the budget is under 17 lakhs. So if you can compare, if you will take in North Goa, wherever you will not get below 60 lakhs. So obviously, so this is a win-win opportunity for you for an investment, for as a second home also. And if I talk on the investment opportunity, why we are telling this is an investment opportunity for this here, because you can see your investment to appreciate by 20-25% in just first year. And would you buy for, sure. So obviously this is in a year one, and then obviously if you'll buy, so obviously you can see your investment to grow. And if I tell on the allocation part, this is purely on the time basis. So as soon as you fill an application, you will have the better preferences to choose during an allocation, because after filling an application, it basically gets time stamped and your application number gets generated there. And the process, which I've already explained you on the token amount, it's 100% refundable amount before an allocation. If in allocation you do not wish to go ahead with us, but I can make sure that thing, obviously, once you get the plot allocation here, it is a kind of project you will not be wanting to take your step back. Yeah, next slide. So this how you can apply. So there's a hoabl.in. There's a website there. You will just go there. You can click on apply now. You can fill in your details. It will be asking for a very basic details of your name, your number, and it will ask for an OTP from you, and then your email ID. And after that, it will ask you the choice of the plot what you're taking. So what I'll be explaining you once I'll move forward with the presentation, that what are the inventories we are having, and with inventories you'll have to select how many units you are going for, and by default it will take an application amount for whatever inventory you have chosen there. After that, it will take you to the payment page where you have all the facilities available, like if you want to pay through a credit card, debit card, IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, you can pay through any mode. And then and then they'll be asking you that from where you got to know about us. You'll have to fill the details of that also, and you can just then you can just finish your screen, just complete the transaction, and you can just share the screenshots with our team. And after that, we'll be taking care of that part, and Pallav can also guide you on that part.
So we have put numbers in the chat box. Everybody could just check these numbers. These are phone numbers from people in my team. To get this application done, you could just call us anytime whenever you are planning to do this, and we will guide you through the whole application process, and we'll make sure that the application goes through in the right direction, and we will also reconfirm it with the backend team and get back to you. Yeah, so anytime you could call us on any of the numbers which are mentioned in the chat.
Yeah, Pallav, you can go on the next slide where we have a pricing. Okay, so basically we have two inventories in this project. First is 1017 square feet. We call this as a Millennia Row House. So the application amount for this is 99,000, which is a fully refundable amount. So by just paying a 99,000, you can apply for 1017 square feet. Next slide. So this is only applicable for first 999 application, because the kind of traction we are getting from the market, if I'll tell you, we are already sitting on some 248 applications. So if I'll tell you on the Saturday, Sunday, because everybody, so we journal on Saturday, Sunday, we are getting a major tractions from, like we are almost like, if I'll tell you about yesterday, we have picked up some 85 applications. So, and if I'll tell you on the pricing part for Millennia Row House, the agreement value is 11.99 lakhs. All inclusive cost, I'll be showing you the pricing sheet, what will be the all inclusive cost. So you can just apply before 15th October, because after that we are expecting a price hike on that. And then after that, our second inventory is 2,700 square feet, where the pricing is 1.98, where the application amount is 1.98 lakh. So by paying 1.98 lakhs, you can apply for the 2,713 square feet plot. And the agreement value for a 2,713 square feet is 29.99 lakhs. Next. Okay. Okay, so first let me take you through the pricing, and then I'll be taking you through the payment schedule. So Pallav, if you can show the pricing sheet first, and then we'll go. Okay, so this is the pricing sheet. If I'll tell you about the Millennia Row House, so the total plot area for 1017 square feet. So your unit cost, that is your agreement value, is 11.99 lakhs. Your infra, GST, stamp duty, and registration charges are 4,71,000. So your total value will be 16.71,000, in which your application fee will be included. And if I talk on the 2,700 square feet, the agreement value will be 29.97 lakhs. Your infra and all other charges will be 11.80 lakhs. So your total package will be of 41.78 lakhs. And so, and the application amount here is 1,98,000, which is already included in 41.78 lakhs. And these prices are valid only till 15th of October. And the allocation, which I have already explained you, it's on the first come, first serve basis. Now you can go to payment schedule, how the payment schedule will be there. Just the above slide. Yeah. So if I talk on the payment schedule part, so first you'll just have to go with us through an application amount. So because currently you're just applying for it. So our allocation is scheduled for a December end. So then once we will be doing the allocation of your plot, we'll be showing that these plot got allocated to you. Then once you choose the plot and yes, you say, yes, I want to go ahead with you. Then within 7 working days, you'll have to pay us the 10% of your agreement value plus your stamp duty, registration and other charges, in which you will be you will be deducting the application fee from that. After that, you have a next 30 working days where you will be paying us the 40% of your agreement value plus your infra charges plus GST. And after that 30 days, again 30 days. So you have again 30 days time where you will be paying the balance 50% payment of your agreement value. So from the day of allocation, we have 60 days to make the 100% payment. And apart from that, other maintenance charges and the corpus fund will be chargeable after the possession of the plot. So this is about the payment schedule. So these are the RERA numbers which are already available on our websites also. So this project is coming in 2 phases. That this is the phase 1 and this is the phase 2. So you have both the RERA numbers available here. So basically, this is a pre-launch offer. That is why the pricings obviously is lucrative pricings are available. So obviously, once we will be coming in a phase 2, so that we will let you know whenever we'll be coming with phase 2. So anything you want to add, Pallav, now?
Yeah, sure. So before we get into the Q&A session, I would want to please urge everybody to put your questions in the Q&A box and not in the chat box. And as soon as we start getting questions, we already have few questions in the Q&A. We start answering these questions, and by that time, people, you can just put in your questions so that we'll make sure that we clarify all your questions and queries. Secondly, like Renuka said, this pricing, whatever we are showing right now, are only up to the 15th of October. We have very few days, that we have only 5 days considering today. And you are only applying. This is not a decision, final decision that you are making. If you are even 5% inclined towards this project, or 5% convinced with the kind of project this looks like, I would really feel that say that you please go ahead and apply, because there is nothing to lose. You are going to only block a little amount of your bank account into this. And the main thing, if you don't apply, then you are losing out on a very beautiful opportunity. So please go ahead and apply. You can call us. I have put my colleague's number, Mr. Nilesh. He is one of the senior person in the team who's going to help you through your application process as well. So after this webinar, if you feel that there are some glitches that you come across, you can directly call us, and you can get the queries resolved, and we'll make sure that the application goes through well. So without doing anything more, I would want to take questions. Yeah. So the first question that we have is from Mr. Ravi Kumar Tiwari. So he's asking us, is finance and any tie-up for construction done?
Yes, the financial thing, yeah, yes, we are doing it. So we'll be tying up with a few banks like HDFC, Axis Bank, and ICICI Bank and SBI Bank. So we are already in touch with all the banks. So that information you will be having before the allocation of your plots, whatever banks will be tying up with, and we are already in touch. So basically they will be there's a funding of, like, they will be doing a funding of 50%, where obviously we are putting that if they can fund till 60% or 70%. So you'll be having the information about the bank before the allocation.
So Mr. Kamal Singh, he is asking, where exactly is this location, Anjarle?
So Anjarle is basically exactly at Dapoli location. If you will, about Dapoli, there's this Harnai port, which is Asia's largest fishing port. So from there, it is just 5 kilometers. It is in Ratnagiri district.
Correct. So yes. Just to add few points into this question, Mr. Kamal, basically, if you are driving towards Goa on the old highway, near Mangaon, there is a diversion which goes towards the Ratnagiri district. Okay, so you can take that road, and you could travel on the western coast, and that's where a very famous town called Dapoli is located. So Dapoli is the main town place. From Dapoli, Anjarle beach basically is approximately around 12 to 15 minutes drive. So it's a very beautiful location. I would really hope that you could at least, take an application, go there for a holiday, and I'm sure you will definitely want to buy a land over there. So we have Mr. Sunil Gayakwad. Can you arrange a site visit from Powai?
Okay, so currently, sir, currently we are not arranging a site visit from our side, but yes, if you want to visit from your side, you can go and visit that place, because currently we are just on the applying mode. So your because the allocations will happen in the December, so we will it is preferred that you visit at that time, because then obviously you'll be able to see that where exactly your plot is there, and on that basis, obviously you'll be able to make your choices also. So, but before the allocation you are free to visit from your side. Obviously, somebody from our team will be there at site.
So, Mr. Kamal has another question. The way you mentioned the amenities, want to understand whether you will be developing the property further with the housing later, as you mentioned several amenities in the PPT. Or do share your PPT on WhatsApp or mail.
Okay, can you just repeat the question, Pallav? So basically, he's
Yeah.
asking if we are providing we will be providing any support on the construction part.
Yes, correct. So he just wants to know, are only the amenities going to be developed, or the villas are going to be developed from your side?
Okay, so for that, so basically we'll be constructing the amenities. Apart from that, for example, for the construction of your, so we are just providing a branded land. We are just giving you a plot now. So tomorrow, if you need any of our assistance in construction, so we'll be having a set of architects and construction people in our panel. So if you wish to go ahead with our panel, we will be sharing the numbers and details with you. But if you wish to bring your own architects and your own construction people also, that you can also do. So both the options are open for you.
Yeah, so I hope that answers your question, sir. We have Mr. Sachin who wants to know, hi, what is the breakup of the infra and other cost elements, and does this cover the lifetime maintenance cost ahead?
So, okay. So basically in infra charges, we will be taking because in infrastructure, we will be giving you an inlet for electricity, water. So for example, if you're just buying a land parcel, so you'll have to take care of infrastructure by yourself. So here, because this is a branded land, so we'll be taking care of infrastructure from our side. So you will be having an internal, whatever plot you'll be buying from us, you'll be having an internal or external boundary of that land. So you will be getting an electricity inlet from our side. You'll be getting a water inlet from our side. If I talk on the infrastructure part, so you'll be having the all internal road, which will be a 9-meter wide road or 12-meter wide road. So that way, these are the amenities, things and everything are included in infrastructure charges. And apart from that, if I talk, so you have a in this infra and other charges, you have a GST of 18%. Then you have a stamp duty included in that, and you have a registration charges. So exact pricing sheet, what me and Pallav team, what we can do, we'll be sharing a price sheet there where the exact breakups are given for the pricing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have Mr. Rajesh Jetwa. I suppose he's probably one of our customers in the first project, Bliss at Kolthare. So what is he asking is, how many acres is this project altogether, and will the second phase will be launched also like how you did at Lodha Bliss Kolthare?
Yeah, so sir, first of all, congratulations because you got the opportunity of having a land there. Because if I'll tell you, because we are still getting a call for getting a plot there. So if I'll tell you about this, yes, this is 104 acres land. So we are doing this in 2 phases. This is a phase 1, this is a pre-launch phase, and there'll be a launch phase 2 also will be coming, which will be a launch phase. So it will be in the similar way how we launched our Dapoli Koltare project. But the thing, what difference will be there, you must be aware about that thing, that once we did the pre-launch, the pricing was very different. So we sold at 11 lakh. When we sold during in basically launch, the price was 14 lakhs. And after that, it was sold at 19 lakhs. The people who took in the pre-launch, they were already sitting at 40 to 50% appreciation in just 6 months of a time when we launched our project. So here you have a price benefit if you'll be going on the pre-launch. Hope your question is clear. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have some few more questions. Basically, there is another question which says, is this a collector sanctioned NA?
Yes.
So, yeah, I would want to answer this question. Yes. NA sanctions normally, Mr. Actually, it's an anonymous question. I can't see the name. So basically, yes, NA approved lands are directly approved from the collectors. So all the NA land that you could come across are going to be collector NAs. And of course, the second layer of protection that you have for this project is the RERA registration. So this project is a RERA registered project. Secondly, it's a collector NA sanctioned project. And first of all, it is coming through a brand which is very popular, and we have had a very clean past having a very successful project which is sold in the same locality. So whoever's question this was, I would want to tell you that please, you could be rest assured about the legalities, and you could go ahead and do an application right away just today. So there are a few questions in the chat box as well. I would just like to open up and answer these questions. Okay, so there is one called, what is the size of project land? So I suppose we have answered. Renuka has told us it is 104 acres of the project. Second, are you going to give us a refund even after the application is done? So Renuka, can you please answer this question?
Yes, so this refund is after anyways after the application only, once you apply for it. So basically you apply it just by paying a token amount. So whatever inventory you are taking, for example, you are going for 2,700 square feet. So the amount is 1,98,000. So you applied for it. So your allocation will be starting by the December end. So before that also, if you want to take a refund back, we will be providing that. And during an allocation also, if you wish to take a step back because of any reason, because of your personal reason, or maybe we are not able to allot you a plot, maybe you have not liked the plot what we have allocated to you. So in any of the scenario, we'll be refunding your amount 100% back within 30 working days. So for that, there's just a process, obviously, where you'll have to write a refund mail on our email ID, which we'll be mentioning once we and Pallavi will be deciding once you're going on application form. So there you just have to write a no due certificate that you do not have any due on the house of Abhinandan Lodha except the application amount, and you'll have to mention your application number there with the cancelled copy of a check. And then within 30 working days, you'll get a refund back from our side.
So we have another question. Again, it's Mr. Krishna Wadugiri. Krishna Wadugiri, I guess, again, Mr. Krishna is one of our old clients from the Isle of Bliss. So okay, what he wants to know is, what is the difference between this project and earlier project? How far apart are they?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So if I'll tell you, so Koltare beach is the end of the Konkan belt. So the beach is into the much secluded area. Where if I talk about the Anjalle beach, it's a much commercialized beach. If I talk, if you just enter Dapoli from Harnai Port, it is just 5 kilometers. Where our older project from Harnai Port is almost 25 kilometers. So here, if in location wise, this is a premier location. This is a much commercialized location where if you like to do adventures and everything, there's a beach where all the water activities and everything is available. Where at Koltare beach, if you like, it is a kind of a secluded place where you can, if you like peace, you can just sit, enjoy with your family and friends.
Okay, so we have another question which says, what will be the maintenance?
Okay,
so is the cost inclusive of maintenance, and if so, for how many years?
Okay, so the package what we told you, that 16.71 lakh, it is not inclusive of maintenance. So maintenance will be charging you after possession. So that will be 5 rupees per square feet per month, and it will be on the yearly basis.
Okay. So secondly, is loan available for this project? So yes, I guess we have answered. Yeah. Yes. So if you could please repeat the answer.
Yes, the loans are available. The banks, whoever banks will be onboarding, will let you know before your allocation. We are already in touch with 4 banks, that is HDFC, ICICI, Axis, and SBI Bank. These are the 4 banks we are already in touch.
Okay, we have Mr. Rahul Krishnan. He wants to know if, how far is the sea coast, and is it within the CRZ zone or after the CRZ zone, and how high is the cliff on which the project is located?
Okay, so if I'll tell you about CRZ zone, according to CRZ clearance zone, you cannot build anything till 500 meters. So we are out of the CR zone. So our project is 600 meters from the beach. If I talk about on the walking distance part, it is just 10 to 15 minutes. So we are away from the CR zone basically. And what was the second question, Pallav? The height. So it is 1420 feet above the sea level.
Sorry, how much?
1420 feet above the sea level.
Okay. So I hope that answers the question, Mr. Rahul. We have one more which says, if I am considering 1000 square feet plot, can I combine two plots, and is the price negotiable?
The price is not negotiable. The price is similar for everybody. If I'll tell you, because people have taken 10 plots also together, the price is similar for everybody. But yes, you can combine two plots if you're taking two plots together.
So
the price is similar for everybody, because we are not charging any premium like that. If you will be getting a beach view, the price will be on the higher side. If you will be getting a plot behind on the other side, you'll be getting a lower price. This price is similar for everybody. This is just purely on the timestamp basis. So as soon as you fill an application, you will have the better preferences to choose there.
Yeah. So Mr. Rahul Krishnan once again has a question, which is, can I construct on my own, or is there any design restriction? And how high could my bungalow be? G+1, 2, 3, how much?
Okay, so here the only restriction we have, that is a G+1 construction. Why the G+1 construction restriction is there? Because obviously if one is investing here, they're investing for a beach view, so that we also do not want that if somebody is coming ahead of you, they should build, they should be on your higher side. So all the houses here will be a G+1 structure only, and you can design your bungalow according to you, and the height of the bungalow will be 9 meters. So you'll just have to take a necessary approvals from here. Otherwise, there is no restriction apart from G+1 from our side.
Okay. So we have, I guess it is Skruti Mishra. She wants to understand. She says that I have researched, and on Google there are mixed reviews of your previous project. Could we? Can you get somebody for a follow-up webinar to speak about their experience?
Sure, Shruti, we can do that thing. So I'll tell you, I totally understand. There's a mixed review. So obviously, if you see on the Google, every location, if you take a restaurant also, you will be having a mixed reviews. And if I'll explain you also why we have a mixed review. Because when we did our first project, that was when we did our launch, when we did our pre-launch for our Akoldare project, that was in the 2020 when the lockdown was there. So because of that, there's certain, because that was the first time we came into this project. And after that, there was a lockdown, there was uncertain things was happening. Because of that, there was a certain miscommunication happened. Apart from that, we have cleared that part very well there. If I'll tell you, for the first phase also, we have refunded back everybody with the 6% interest at that time also. So that way you don't have to worry. We'll be, me and Nilesh, we can connect you individually, and we'll be clearing you all doubts, your all doubts there.
Sure. Mr. Vikas Sharma, he wants to know, do you have an option to keep the land as it is without developing it into a full-fledged bungalow from a pure investment perspective?
Yes, you can do it.
Okay, so there is no constraint that within this many years you have to build something on it, right?
No, currently there's no constraint like that.
Okay. Renuka, actually there are 2-3 different people who have still have some queries with the maintenance figures. So if you could
Okay.
please repeat that answer for the maintenance.
Okay. Okay, so the maintenance will be charged after the possession of the amenities. So we'll be charging rupees 5 per square feet per month. So this will be your amenity maintenance charges. 5 rupees per square feet per month.
Okay. And the common amenities will be maintained by whom?
So common maintenance for a year, we'll be maintaining the house of Abhinandan Lodha will be maintaining. After, from a second year, we'll be forming a society there. But certain parts we'll be keeping with ourselves because it's a huge township of 104 acres. So after that, once we form a society there, so it is total up to society if they want to continue with the same facility management team what we are having, or if they wish to bring their own facility management team by discussing with everybody, they can do that too.
Okay. There is question from an anonymous user, which says there was a point in your presentation which says that we will provide a digital locker. What does that really mean?
Okay, so like how for your stock market you get a portal where obviously you can list your stock, you can sell it whenever you want to sell it, whenever you want to buy it, you can buy it. Similar kind of a concept we are coming with that digital portal where obviously everybody whoever have invested in the house of Abhinandan Lodha's project, they'll be listing their project. So tomorrow for you it becomes very easy to see if, for example, today you will be investing in Anjarle Beach. So tomorrow you want to buy in Kultare Beach because currently there is no plots available, so you cannot buy it here. But tomorrow, if somebody wants to buy it, somebody wants to sell it, so you have the opportunity to see that thing directly on that digital portal that somebody from there is interested in selling his land. So you can directly connect there over a digital portal and you can do your transaction. So that way you will get to know how at the status of your project also, like what is your plot, how much is the pricing, what is the status, what is the things happening nearby. So that way you'll be able to track everything on that digital portal. And if I'll tell you, we'll be giving you this portal in 2023, and for a year we'll be giving you a free subscription, and after a year there'll be subscription charges for this portal. I hope the question is clear now. If any other questions on the digital
probably
platform
it's
part?
pretty clear now. Mr. Rahul Krishnan, he's requesting if we could go to the price breakup sheet, and if you could just explain that once again, just in a brief.
Okay, so Pallab, give me a right. I will share my screen then. So basically, I will because this is I will be sharing my screen.
Sure, you can share your screen, no problem.
So you'll have to give me the right this from there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So is my screen is visible? Pallab,
yes.
is my screen is visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the price breakup. So the agreement value is 11.99 lakhs, which is an agreement value. After that, the infra charges is 3,05,100, which includes all your infrastructures like electricity, water, roads, your boundaries of the wall, all the amenities and everything. So this comes under infra charges. Then you have a GST of 18%, which is 54,919. Then you have a stamp duty 59,952. Then you have a registration charges of 11,990. Then there's an incidental charges of 40,000. If I tell you about the incidental charges, basically these are the charges which we'll be giving to the government to make the process smooth, like for doing of your registration, which we give to all the lawyers and the government offices to make the process smooth, often doing a registration process. So that's how it comes to 16.71 lakhs. I hope, Rahul, your question is like you must have got clarity on the pricing.
Yeah. So more or less, we have completed all the questions. You could stop sharing your screen. So once again, we are putting our direct contact numbers on the chat box. Everybody who had a lot of questions, probably Mr. Sachin, Mr. Vikas Sarma, Mr. Kamal Singh, Mr. Rahul Krishnan, So I understood one thing, that there are few people who had a lot of questions, and I hope we have been able to resolve your queries. I have just put in my colleague, Mr. Nilesh's direct contact number. There could be many such people who have not raised hands or asked questions. We could definitely get this one-on-one if required, and get through the application as soon as possible. So I really thank everybody to you know attend this webinar, and we really hope that we've done justice to all your questions. And once again, thank you, Renuka, for helping us get this presentation done. Yeah.
Thank you, Pallav, and thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
Looking
So
forward to, yeah, looking.
Sure. So with this note, I would like to end this presentation. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Yeah.